sorry guys, but we are in the new lava map, and we just want to show you everything in this. Yeah, this is a new lava map.
So we have new ore
and new like monsters.
Yeah, like those.
What is that? What is that?
Things that will kill you. Stick to the roof, bud.
Oh my god! Is it just me, or did I just see an eyeball?
Yeah, those that will spot you and make them come after you.
Where are we going?
Ah! Go, 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 go!
It's a big back, it's a big back, it's a big back. Dude, where are we going?
Rusty, you forgot your umbrella.
I own them, I don't need it.
Okay, come on. Now this is a risky move, okay?
No.
Come back out, come back out. Rusty, you see that big heart? Go right through it, bud.
Dude, I don't want to leave yet. I'm gonna mine some more and then I'm leaving.
No, you have to. You have to.
Well, guys, we didn't get to see that much, but here goes nothing.
Okay.
Come on. We need more gear.
Oh God. Oh, there was a little of it right there, guys.
Put your golden pickaxe right in there. Put your golden pickaxe in the crowbar. No, crossbow, my bad. What the f is going? Okay, now you are prepared. We shall leave again. Hey, this time let me do it. Let me do it this time, okay? Buy yourself a TP. Teleportation.
Okay. Look,
Or I
let
got
me
you
put
one.
this in my
Right there.
backpack.
No. Stop. Get it.
No, let's go.
Okay, come on.
This is the way to like glitch, but if you guys know, there's a bunker and it's finally opened, and that's how you get there. But we're doing it the really easy way.
No, come here.
Oh. What are you doing? No,
You
here,
wanna
let's just
drop?
do it that way.
No,
Let's just do it
you do it that way and I'll do it this way, okay?
Okay. Well, we're on our own, I guess, until he finally... Or we should spawn in there. Go. Alright, guys, we're gonna be... It's down there.
I dropped it.
Can you throw it out, dude? I dropped my TP. Can you
throw it out?
What?
I dropped my TP grenade.
Just go.
Can you see it?
Hmm?
Throw the TP grenade out.
Oh man, that was far.
Here, I'm just gonna go, okay?
No, you need to wait. We need to stick
Together.
You've got a point.
Okay, it's coming out.
Can you just do it the easy way, bro? Alright, come on, you ready?
I need to get my grappler.
Ah! I fell! Okay, I guess here we come. Dude, I landed in the same area we landed last time. Where's my grapple? Dude, I landed at the same place we landed last time. Drop there. Oh my god, this is so scary.
No, I'm making my way over, dude.
Come on, bro. Look at that. What is that? What is that? Dude, I'm scared. are you coming? Dude, hurry up, please. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay, go through the heart again.
Well, no, it's fine, but I just want you to come. I don't want to be alone. What was just glowing?
Dude, I'm sorry. You need to come back out. Like, I couldn't get back on the place that you were at.
Dude, it's fine. Just go again. I'm exploring.
I want you to wait.
Dude, I'm exploring. I'm sorry. Never mind. I don't want to explore. I just got enemy spotted. What the? What is that? What is that? Dude, I want to go see this orb, but I'm gonna get spotted by a big red eyeball thingamajig. Dude, I'm being spotted.
Making my way over there immediately.
Dude, I'm being spotted.
Wait, you died?
No! I almost did.
Oh, I thought you said you died. I need to get another TP grenade because of...
Dude, I'm hiding right now. Dude, guys, this video might end later than earlier than I really wanted it to be. Because, and the only reason is that is, well, I'm being surrounded by eyes. What is that? What is that?
1985.
What the signal? What is blood singing? That thing is. Can you just grapple? I don't know if I should be doing this, but I'm doing it. This is scary. Oh, I found ore. That's the ore right there. That's the way you come in.
Okay, you need to go through the heart.
Dude, I'm not going.
I need to tell you something.
I don't want to go through the heart. See where you come from. If you did it normal way. I want to get to the ore.
Figure it out, okay? Figure out how to get to the heart.
Okay, I'm running. I'm running to the heart. I'm running to the heart. No.
Okay, I hear you. You're doing good so far.
Guys, I'm sorry. I am not dying today. It's not gonna be today. It's not gonna be any day being done here. Hold on. No, don't do this to me! I'm back. I did not get to see the ore. I'm sorry, guys. This is the end of the video.
Did you die?
No, I just got back by the heart. But guys, if you want to see
Okay,
more
go
Animal
through
Company videos, comment on my videos and say, "Hey, Foxer, I want to see more Animal Company videos." And if you do,
Did you go
just say
through the
that.
heart?
Yes, I did. But if you do want to see more, just comment, "I want to see more in this video." And see you guys in the next video.